Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y16 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings. There we go. From here you want to scroll down or up depending on where your page is located at till you find RAM and storage space. And here you have this drop down with this device by default, so you want to press on it and select your SD card. This will obviously show you the storage on your SD card, and from here you can select manage storage. This will take you to the files application. It's kind of weird. So it looks like it's not showing anything on it. Not exactly sure why. We can just format it from here. Okay, so this is a little bit kind of wonky. Normally you would have, I believe, format option right here, but we have it under the three dot menu right here. You can select format, and as you can see, it is referring to the SD card right here. So it gives you a quick message. Format will erase existing content on the SD card, basically to keep whatever you want. Do make a copy of it. If not, it will be removed permanently. So anyway, I just jump straight to it. Format SD card. This will begin a process which only takes several seconds to finish up. It should be right about done. Any moment now. And there we go. So click on done and that's it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.